Good morning everyone. Give you a video tutorial how to register using your referral link in BitRegion. So as you can see, we have here the main page of bitregion.com. All you need to do is to get the referral link in your sponsors. Then you have to click login, or you can also click join us now. It's on the bottom of the page. Currently BitRegion is now in 9 countries with 4 leaders with a total number of 1,325 happy participants. So it just started this year, January. Click here, then you enter the email address, password, and you need to confirm your password. Then just click sign up. Wait for the email confirmation. So once you receive your email confirmation, you need to activate, and you need to verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your email address. Okay, so verify my activation. After you click, you need to fill up the username that you're going to. Okay, so BitClub. So this is now my account. So I'm doing screenshots. Okay, so that's it, how to register. Next is how to activate your account. Okay, thank you, and see you next time in my video tutorial.